teardrops stars. You better run from me, go. I love you.
Give me a reason, one good reason, and I'll tell you what I think. Give me the passion.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would you feel the same?
DJ Elmer Remix.
Around her hair, she wore a yellow ribbon. She wore it in the morning and the marrying of the May. They asked the reason why she wrote it. She wrote, I want you, but I want you to want me too. Want you to want me, baby, just like I want you. I won't wait. Perhaps love is like a resting place, a shelter from the storm. It exists to give you comfort. It is there to keep you warm. And in those times of trouble, when you are most alone, the memory of love will bring you home. Perhaps love is like a window, perhaps an open door. It invites you to come closer. It wants to show you more. And even if you lose your first, I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong. I learned how to get along, and so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here, that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave the key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? busy working a day in and day out life. Before we knew it, we had changed. The love between us was empty and strange. It took two things to turn it around. The love and devotion that keeps us bound. We've got to hold. More than a feeling, for we are a way of being. Your love is so gentle, seeing through all things. Sweet as a baby, an innocence driving me crazy. What comes from within